Hey everyone, welcome to TechBase. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to update Joi app. So let's get started. Begin by launching Play Store. In the search bar, type in Joi and perform your search. Select Joi Live Video Chat option. If your application need any update, you'll be able to see Update button instead of Open button. Just tap on it and your Joi application will be updated. And this is how you can update Joi app. Thanks for watching TechBase. If you like this video, hit the like button and drop a comment with any questions or feedback. If you are new, subscribe and click the bell icon to stay updated on our future videos.